Hello, boys and girls. For this activity, this is a review of topic B that we have been learning in math. So I'm going to explain the directions for each section. So after I explain directions for each number, after I explain for number 1, if you need to pause it while you work through each problem, go ahead and do that. And then when you're ready for number 2, then go ahead and push play. Okay? So number 1. Use the symbols to compare the numbers. Fill in the blank with one of these 3 symbols to make the statement true. Remember Andy and Ellie the alligator, they want to eat the bigger number. A. 67 is what to 7 tens, 3 ones? Put your symbol in the circle using one of these 3 symbols. B. 62 is blank to 2 ones and 6 tens. So 62 is blank to 2 ones, 6 tens. Again, use one of these 3 symbols to fill in that circle. C. 74 is blank to 4 tens, 7 ones. Fill your symbol in the circle. D. 7 tens, 2 ones is blank to 6 tens, 12 ones. Fill your symbol from one of these 3 in that circle. Number 2. Circle the correct words to make the sentence true. Use one of these symbols again and numbers to write a true statement. So letter A, looking at this, 7 tens, 0 ones is greater than, is less than, or is equal to. So you're going to circle one of those 3. 7 tens, 0 ones is blank to 0 tens, 7 ones. So get your cubes out or whiteboard and marker to figure out what do each of these numbers represent. What do these equal? Then once you figure out what each of these numbers are, write that number on the line. So 7 tens, 0 ones is what number? Write it here on the line. Then come over here. 0 tens, 7 ones is what number? Write that number on the line. Now that you figured out what the numbers are, go back up here and circle. Is it greater than, is less than, or is equal to? Once you figure it out, then you're going to come down here and put in one of the symbols. This symbol, or this symbol. Whichever symbol you put in here, it should be the same as the words that you circled. B, you're going to do the same thing. 5 tens, 4 ones. Figure out what does that equal. So draw a picture or use your cubes to figure it out. Once you figured out what 5 tens, 4 ones is, write it on the line. Then go over here, 4 tens, 14 ones. What does that equal? Write it on the line. Okay, once you have the numbers, now come back up here and circle. Is it greater than, is less than, is equal to? And then fill the symbol that matches down here in the circle. Number 3, you have 3 numbers here. You're going to fill in the symbols to go in between the numbers. 100 is blank to 10 tens. 110, 5 ones is blank to 5 tens, 1 one. And C, 72 is blank to 27. So again, for these that have the 110, 5 ones, if you're not sure what the number is, don't just guess. Use your cubes or use your whiteboard and marker to draw to figure it out before you put one of these 3 symbols in. Number 4. Circle the sequence that is correct or is incorrect. Rewrite it correctly on the line. So in these 2 boxes, you're going to see which one is incorrect, which means not right. 101, 102, 103, 104. 98, 99, 100, 101, 111. Whichever one is incorrect, you're going to circle it. After you have circled one of those, then you need to make it correct. So you're going to rewrite whatever box had the incorrect sequence and write what number should have been correct. The back side now, number 5. Fill in the missing numbers in the sequence. 95, 96, blank, blank, 99. So what numbers should be on the lines? B, 118, 119, blank, blank, 122. So if you need to get a 120 chart in your classroom to help you figure that out, fill it in on the line. 6, complete the chart by filling in the missing numbers. Look at the number sequences here. 91, 92, 101, blank, 112, 121, 122. So fill in what numbers should be here. 7, write the number as tens and ones in the place value chart, or use the place value chart to write the number. So A, they gave you the number 109. Fill in the place value chart. How many tens are in that number? How many ones are in that number? If you need to use cubes or draw a picture on your whiteboard and marker to help you figure out, go ahead and do that, but do not guess. Then over here, they gave you the place value chart filled in. So for this number, there's 11 tens and 3 ones. What number is that? And the last one, number 8. Write the number. A, 11 tens and 8 ones is the number blank. B, 9 tens and 9 ones is the number blank. C, 10 tens and 5 ones is the number blank. And your last problem, D, 12 tens and 0 ones is the number blank.